From Ranchi, we have started to go to Dasam Fall, which is on the way to Jamshedpur, and approximately 25 kilometers away from Ranchi. And this is very famous tourist point. It's a fall, and this is known as a Niagara Fall of India. Niagara Fall of Jharkhand, Ranchi. Niagara Fall, which is in America. So ये छोटा सा एक मिनी फॉल है एंड बहुत ही फेमस है यहाँ पे. काफ़ी टूरिस्ट आते हैं यहाँ पे एंड दे हैड वेरी नाइस टाइम. दे एंजॉय लॉट ओवर हियर. So myself also going to explore this destination and this location and this tourist place for my memories. Really, this area is heaven on earth, which is in Jharkhand, 25 kilometers away from Ranchi, and I'm going to explore this destination, and it's a fantastic and mind-blowing experience of my life. As a tourist, as a blogger, I want to have a fantastic experience, and also I want to make you see this. All of my friends, you should experience this experience of mine at Dasam Fall and have a mind-blowing time. Look, beautiful, fantastic. When you start from Ranchi towards Jamshedpur, after 25 kilometers drive, you have to take a right turn, and this is a way where this road will take you to Dasam Falls. So beautiful greeneries, mind-blowing atmosphere, this beautiful views takes you to Dasam Fall. These shots, these visuals look like a trolley shot. See this, mind-blowing.
इसमें चल रहा है ना अब. नागपुरिया पिक्चर भी तो इधर है, रिमिक्स फॉल. जैसे इसको छोटा ना
ये दसम फॉल है. This is the main place of Dasam Fall. Wow, what a force.